Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving deep into the GVNR token with a comprehensive guide. We'll start by introducing GVNR, explaining its core purpose, and the utility it brings to the table. This guide will cover everything you need to know, from how to purchase GVNR to the various platforms where you can find it, and even a brief overview of the technology underpinning this exciting token. Let's delve into the GVNR token. GVNR token is essentially a digital asset designed to operate within its own dedicated ecosystem. Its core function revolves around the actual function replace with info if available, else keep generic. Being an ERC20 token, it's built on the Ethereum blockchain, which provides a secure and transparent foundation. Furthermore, GVNR token boasts some unique features, including mention unique features here, if available, else say features designed to enhance the user experience. Let's delve into the technological foundation supporting GVNR, starting with the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum employs decentralized ledger technology, meaning no single entity controls the network, enhancing security and transparency. It's also notable for its smart contract functionality, which allows for automated agreements to be written directly into the blockchain. Next, we should explore the ERC20 standard. This is a critical standard for creating tokens on the Ethereum network, providing a common set of rules that tokens must follow. One of the primary benefits of ERC20 is interoperability. Because all ERC20 tokens follow the same standard, they can easily interact with other applications and services built on Ethereum. Finally, GVNR utilizes the ERC20 standard, which allows it to seamlessly integrate into the Ethereum ecosystem, taking advantage of its existing infrastructure and wide range of compatible services. Right, let's discuss where you can purchase GVNR tokens, starting with MEXC Global, a centralized exchange, or CX. To buy GVNR on MEXC, you'll first need to create an account on their platform. After that, make sure to complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process. Next, deposit funds like ETH or USDT into your MEXC account. Once your funds are deposited, navigate to the GVNR/USDT trading pair, or whichever pair is relevant at the time. From there, you can place a buy order, choosing either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Finally, confirm the transaction, and you'll have GVNR in your MEXC wallet. MEXC Global offers several advantages, including good liquidity, a user-friendly interface, and various security features. Acquire GVNR on UNISWAP, a decentralized exchange. You'll first need to understand the process. Purchasing GVNR here involves several key steps. Start by installing a Web3 wallet such as MetaMask. Next, fund this wallet with ETH, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. Once your wallet is ready, connect it to the UNISWAP platform. Then, carefully find the GVNR token's contract address, ensuring its authenticity to avoid scams. Proceed to swap your ETH for GVNR, paying attention to slippage settings to manage price fluctuations during the transaction. Finally, confirm the transaction, keeping in mind the associated gas fees, which are paid in ETH. The advantages of using UNISWAP include decentralization and direct ownership of your tokens, placing you in full control of your crypto assets. Right, let's walk through the process of buying GVNR. Whether you choose MEXC or UNISWAP, the first thing you'll need to do is set up an account on MEXC or configure a wallet like MetaMask for UNISWAP. Once that's done, you'll need to fund your account on MEXC or your wallet with the necessary cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum in this case. Next, you'll need to find the GVNR trading pair on MEXC or the GVNR contract address on UNISWAP. After locating GVNR, you can then place a buy order on MEXC or perform a swap on UNISWAP. Finally, Carefully confirm all the details of the transaction before finalizing it to ensure everything goes smoothly. For investing, it's important to consider the potential risks and considerations. Market volatility is always a factor in the crypto space, and smart contract risks are present, especially when using decentralized exchanges. Make sure to secure your wallets and exchanges appropriately. Always do your own research, known as DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. Finally, be aware of the gas fees on the Ethereum network, as they can sometimes be high. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. In conclusion, we've covered the essentials of GVNR, a cryptocurrency token operating on the Ethereum blockchain. Remember the importance of understanding projects like GVNR before investing. We highly encourage you to dive deeper and explore GVNR and its surrounding ecosystem further. Consider joining their community to stay updated, visiting their official website for comprehensive information, and, if you're comfortable and have done your research, think about investing responsibly.